Hello and welcome. I brought some friends today to the practice. I hope you enjoy them. So in this practice, we're gonna be moving a little bit here the energy as we move gracefully through the pose. Feel nice transitions from one pose to another. Very nice to pay attention to the details, how you move. Try to move gracefully, like a dance. Like this, we do our best in front of our friends here. So bring your hands in prayer. Take a nice deep breath in. May all beings everywhere be happy and free and get the benefits of this practice through our senses. As you know, we all share the essence of life within our heart, like these beautiful horses here. They are big hearts, the same essence is there. So let's begin the practice in a seated position with the Bhastrika. You may use a chair now or use yoga blocks. Be comfortable. This is the breath of fire. In and out through your nostrils, like a sniffing dog, with the same vigor. Bring your hands in Jnana Mudra on top of your thighs. Take a deep breath in. Now empty your lungs. Keep the spine straight and go ahead. Now empty your lungs. Take a deep breath in. Hold the breath. Bring chest up, chin down, squeeze the throat, and squeeze the buttocks. The attention should be at the space between the eyebrows. Now release the buttocks, the throat, and exhale through the nostril gently. Breathe normally. Now the following one, Kapalabhati. Now the focus should be only on the exhalation, vigorous. The inhalations will be passive. Pump the stomach towards the spine. If you have a tissue now, use it so I avoid any surprise. So prepare your hands similar to Bhastrika, now Kapalabhati, just exhalation. Take a deep breath in. Now empty your lungs. Half inhalation and start. Empty your lungs. Take a deep breath in. Fill up the lungs and hold the breath. Apply the locks again. Squeeze throat and the buttocks. Squeeze the anus. So the attention now at the space between the eyebrows. Now release slowly the locks and the breath through the nostrils. Now open your eyes and please stand up. Let's begin Sun Salutation. Preparing the body. It's a warm-up. If you can face the sun, even better. So bring your hands in prayer. Remember the entire creation, all beings everywhere getting the benefits through our senses. So every pose, you are offering your best. Do your best, no attachment, and the entire planet will benefit from your practice. So let's move together. Reaching up, arch your back, folding forward, palms down, chest and thighs together, Uttanasana. Right foot back, knee down, gazing up, the equestrian pose. Palms down, plank. Left foot back, bring your knees down to the floor, sit on your heels, bow down. Then slide it through for Cobra pose. Elbows down, knees still, heel down to the floor, feet together. Drop your shoulders. Return, sit on your heels. And go ahead, moving forward for Cobra pose. Once again, heels and Cobra. Down facing dog. Bend your knees as much as you need, down facing dog. May bounce gentle. Bring right foot forward between your hands, left knee down, gaze up. Bring your feet together, reach up, arch your back, hands in prayer. Again, reaching up, folding forward. This time, left foot back, equestrian pose. Plank. Now, knees, chest and chin down to the floor. Moving to Cobra, down facing dog, left foot forward, feet together, come up, hands in prayer, reaching up, folding forward, right foot back, plank, knees, chest and chin, Cobra, down facing dog. Move a little bit faster now, right foot forward, feet together, come up, hands in prayer, again reaching up, folding forward, left foot back, plank, knees, chest and chin, Cobra pose, down facing dog, left forward, feet together, come up, hands in prayer, again reaching up, folding forward, right foot back, plank, knees, chest and chin, Cobra, down facing dog, right forward, feet together, come up, hands in prayer, last one, reaching up, folding forward, left foot back, plank, knees, chest and chin, Cobra, down dog, left forward, feet together, come up, hands in prayer. Close your eyes for a moment. Breathe through your nostrils. Reach your arms up. Push your hips forward. Arch your back. Now, Uttanasana. Bring your hands down to the floor. Chest and thighs together. Fingertips below the heels. Just the tip of the fingers. Make sure your forearms behind the cuff. Relax your neck. Bend your knees as much as you need. Then you try to extend it without losing connection of chest with thighs. Now together, let's go deeper in our meditation. As you hear my voice, pretend it is in your own mind. Let it carry you deeper in a meditation. Slowly return up. And let's move on to the next. Wide your feet hip distance apart. Squat down, keeping the spine straight. And extend your arms forward. Imagine you are pushing your hands against the wall. And now be the observer. Your body serves your orders. Be their general and lead them. Give strength to all cells. Stay strong. Keep observing the body, fighting to stay. Slowly stand up. Inhale deeply on the tip of your toes. Exhale, bring your heels down and return to the initial position. Exhale. Keep breathing normally. Let's do it again. Bring your hands in prayer. Wide your feet apart. Squat down. Extend your arms forward. Palms facing forward. And keep leading this mighty army that you have serving you. So lead them with strength, with fortitude to face everything ahead. Keep breathing. Now stand up, inhale deeply, and exhale. Bring your feet together as you inhale and exhale. Return to initial position. Contemplate the moment. Contemplate your breath. Another round. Get ready. Wide your feet apart. Slowly go into the squat. Keep your spine straight. Get into position. Steady. Your breath is your fuel. Send the breath where it hurts and let the pain burn all impurities. Stay steady. Embrace it and return up. Inhale deeply on the tip of your toes. Exhale, bring your heels down. Return to the initial position and rest for a moment. And let's do one more round. Inhale deeply. Get into position, wide your feet apart. Squat down. And now observe the flame within the body, the flame of fortitude. So keep it alive through every single cell. You are their general, fierce, strong, steady. Return up, inhale and exhale. Feet together and rest. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. I am you and you are me. We are all one in essence.